In this video, I'll show you how to fix Amazon Prime Video playback failure. First, close the Prime Video app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes a temporary glitch can prevent videos from playing properly. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. You should also make sure that any VPN service is disabled, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with Prime Video playback. After that, open the Play Store and search for Amazon Prime Video. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the latest version to install. If the issue still isn't fixed, open your device settings, tap on Apps, find and select Prime Video, then open the Storage and Cache section. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. Finally, restart your device and launch Prime Video again to see if the playback issue has been resolved. And that's how you can fix Amazon Prime Video playback failure. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.